Alright, welcome guys. In this video we are going to be building a website while learning. Well, our website is going to be like a userless website though with a lot of features. But first of all, I'm going to create a new file, and this is what we are going to be doing. We're going to create a headline for our website, a paragraph, delete button, and let me show you how our code is going to look like. Well, at the end of the day, we are going to be writing something like this. This is how the code look like, and this is the result. Well, as you can see, we have the heading, the paragraph, and the delete. We have the picture, and we have two links. One link that will lead us to Google, and the other one, okay, let me use a browser to view it. I'm using Opera Mini, but you can use any if you have any, right? Now it's loading. Aha, this is it. Now we have a heading, we have a paragraph, and then this is a paragraph, right? And then we have some delete text. That's delete text, deleted text. You see the stripe, and then here is our image. But the image, as you can see, is the moment you touch it, it will be highlighted. That's to show you that it's not just an image, but it's a link. So it's supposed to lead us somewhere. Based on we're using a dead link to it, so it won't lead us to anywhere. It's still going to lead us to the same page. Now look at what the Google lead us to. Now it can direct us to Google. So we include a Google website to our website, to our web page. Right now you see all this other good stuff, and the most important thing when it comes to HTML5 is this form tag. Think of it as from the first name, last name, number, and password, with the gender where you select male or female, and you can see that it has selected the male by default and HTML by default. That's because that's what I wanted to do for now, right? So we are going to try them and see how they work. You see, if you try to send, if you try to submit, it will ask you to enter something first before you can submit. So I enter, let me try again. You see, it will not allow. I have to fill the second one, and this third one, the number, as you can see, it automatically changed my keyword to numbers. That's, you cannot type anything alphabet, just pure numbers. Then for the password, it still require me to put a password. Then let me type. As you can see, it's hidden, and I'm a male, so I'm good at HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So now I can send, if I can submit if I want to, and let us try. Now you see it's submitted already. Yeah, it is submitted. Well, if you want to build a website, if you want to become a web developer, then this is the most basic tool to go with, the HTML. Well, the HTML is the backbone of a website. Every website you see so far is built with HTML. Well, in this channel, we are going to be learning HTML, building a website. So we will be learning by examples, and then before you know it, you already grasp all the basic knowledge of HTML. And it is very important for you to know the basic before going out to framework and the rest. Meanwhile, we're not going to talk about CSS, not in this section that we are in right now. So I will first cover the HTML to the end, and then with no styling, no CSS, and then we will go to CSS, and from CSS we will head straight to JavaScript, and that's where things will get so tedious. But hopefully I will be able to simplify all the steps for you, and it will look so simple as if it's nothing. Yeah, I mean it. So if this content you feel like you want to join and you want to do it, feel free to subscribe and then